In this video we are going to share with you why you should run your internet business instead of working for others. Please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you stop missing out on important updates. Working at home on your internet business is very gratifying. You are now the captain of your ship. You are the one who is steering the wheel. You can use your full creative capacity to bring your business to be a mega success. The advantages of an internet business is that you don't need a physical location. You don't need to rent or buy a place to start your business. Imagine how much it will cost you to run your business. It can cost you thousands of dollars per month to have such business. On the internet you need a location, which is called a domain name. It can cost between $5 to $25 per year to have an internet domain name. At $25 you can even have free web hosting. So it is really cheap to do business on the internet. Of course you need a website. You can create one if you have some web development knowledge. Or you can have one free with an affiliate program or other home business opportunity. Or you can have website template for a low investment, and some are even free. On the internet you can advertise for free. This is another benefit of the internet. You can write article and publish it in e-zine, blogs, etc. This is called viral marketing. Or you can advertise for very low cost, like with Overture or Google AdWords. You pay only when someone click on your ad. This is called pay per click. You can get laser-targeted traffic and generate sales using PPC campaign. You can bid as low as 1 cent per click. An internet business does not require you to have inventory unless you have your own product that you ship by yourself. Most business opportunities ship the product for you and you keep the profits. Imagine you don't need to keep an inventory, you don't need a cash register, you don't need credit card processing. All these can be done for you by third party at very low cost. You don't have to train employees and pay their salaries. You can have many tax advantages to run an internet home business too. You can deduct income tax for your home, spouse and children if you employ them, business vacations, cars, and business meals. Plus, any losses you incur can be tax deductible and may even be refunded by your income tax agency. By working from your home you don't have to get up at 6 a.m. in the morning to prepare yourself to go to work. You can start working whenever you want and like you want it. You can work part-time like 4 or 5 hours a day and still make a decent income from the internet. Or you can keep your current job if you are just starting your internet business and make an extra income. Then you wait until your business is running at full scale and you don't need your job security anymore. With an internet business you are your own boss. By being your own boss and being able to schedule your own work hours you now have the freedom to do what you want, when you want to and with whom you want at any time. It's a great feeling to be in control of your own life and do what you want and when you want. You are an internet entrepreneur now. You are the chief of your enterprise. You are the master of your destiny. Remember, your internet business should be treated as a real business. This is your new job. You are the one who takes the decisions from now on. You can manage your time without someone else telling you when you should work and take care of your business. Starting an internet business have many advantages, but be sure you have the time and effort to give to your internet business so that you'll enjoy the financial and personal freedom you are searching for. As long as you think positive and focused on your business target, you're on the right way to a rich life, which is directed by you, and it will lead you to tremendous success. Thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate you. Tell us what you think in the comment and like and share this video to anyone you think it is helpful to. Don't forget to grab our extra bonuses prepared for you in the description. We will see you in the next video.